right, today, another GT350, a 2018. And let me tell you, it was brutal on the dyno cell. I had to come outside to film this right here because I'm dying. Air's not good today. I was really hoping this car would make at least 710 of the tires. Actually, we beat that. So we're gonna watch the dyno pull and I'll show you the engine. Let's go check it out. Okay, I have Doug with me today. He's gonna show you this engine compartment right here. Doug, let's take a quick peek, but I am hard pressed not to get a GT350. I love these cars. This is running the Whipple Supercharger kit. It's about 10 pounds of boost. We installed Kooks headers as well as cooling mods. So this is gonna be a fun car on the street. We're gonna go look at the numbers. I'm gonna also put links in the description to all the parts you see right here. But Doug, let's walk over, check this out. Every time I drive one of these, I'm like, why don't I have one? So, I don't know, this right here is almost pushing me over the limit, and I love the brakes on them, I love the way they drive, and of course, the GT350, really cool car, 5.2, sounds awesome, 8,000 RPMs, it's just a lot different than driving a normal GT. So today, this laid down 725 to the tires, SAE, right at about 7,900, 8,000 RPMs, 523 torque, and torque is all the way across the board. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment if you have a question on this. You know, I have a lot of GT350 videos, so feel free to surf through the channel and check all the others out. We install a lot of Whipples. And then again, don't forget, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much that is to get installed. But Doug, let's take one more look at this car right here. It's got the blue stripes, a really sick setup. I love it a lot. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.